Students, all of you welcome to this session. Myself, this is Manjunatha VK, Assistant Teacher of Social Science, Adarsh Vidyalaya, Chalkere. In today's session, we will discuss about the Geography Chapter 1, Indian Position and Extension. Dear students, I have taken that PPT from the SSST of Karnataka Digital Group. So I deliver my sincere thanks to the SSST of Karnataka Digital Group. Indian Position and Extinction. In this chapter, we are going to learn location of India in Asia and the world, extent and frontiers of India. Extent means the area and frontiers means the borders, neighboring countries of India. So location. Where did India lies in the world map as well as in the Asia map? Geographically, India is located in the northern hemisphere and is at the center of the eastern hemisphere. Students, here we have to find which is northern hemisphere and which is eastern hemisphere. See, this is equator and this is 0 degree meridian. It means Greenwich meridian. The part which is above the equator is called northern hemisphere. The part below the equator is called southern hemisphere. So our India lies in the northern hemisphere, and the part which is found in left, it is western hemisphere, and this is eastern hemisphere. So our country lies in the center of eastern hemisphere. So the circle which is revolving inside the circle, so find out our country India. It is a peninsula situated in Southeast Asia. Dear students, do you remember what is the meaning of peninsula? Yes, your guess is correct. Peninsula means the area which is covered by water by three sides and land by one side. It is called peninsula. So our country is a peninsula situated in Southeast Asia. The mainland of India extends from 8 degree and 4 minutes to 37 degree and 6 minutes north latitude, and from 68 degree 7 minutes to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. See, our country completely located in northern hemisphere. So this is 8 degree 4 minute north latitude, and this is 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude, and this is 68.7 minute eastern longitude, and this is 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. So what is the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India? So the mainland of India extends from 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude, and from 68 degree 7 minute to 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. Remember once. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands extend further southwards and add to India's latitudinal extents. See, these are Andaman Nicobar Islands. They further extend southwards and add to India's latitudinal extent. The Indira Point, the southernmost point, is located in the Nicobar Island at 6 degree 45 minute north latitude. See, the arrow mark shows the Nicobar Island, which is located in Andaman Nicobar Island. The northern tip of India is Indira Col in Jammu and Kashmir. So the arrow mark shows the Indira Col. That is the northernmost tip of India. See how here, students, which is the southernmost tip of India. So Indira Point, which is located near Nicobar, is the southernmost tip of India. And which is the northern tip of India? The Indira Col, situated in Jammu and Kashmir, is the northernmost tip of India. The Tropic of Cancer, it means 23.5 degree north latitude, passes through the middle of the country. See, this is 23.5 degree northern latitude. It divides our country into two equal parts. It means the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of our country. It is called as 23.5 degree northern latitude and also known as the Tropic of Cancer. 82.5 degree eastern longitude is the central meridian of India. So the line which is drawn in the red color it shows the 82.5 degree eastern longitude which passes through Allahabad. So it is the prime meridian of India. The Indian Standard Time depends on this longitude. The Indian Standard Time is based on this longitude. India is the seventh largest country in the world after Russia, Canada, China, the USA, Brazil, and Australia. So, which is the largest country in the world? Russia is the largest country in the world after Russia, Canada, uh, then China, then USA, then Brazil, and Australia. So, our country is the seventh largest country by area in the world. It has a total area of 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometer. Once I repeat, 32 lakhs 87,263 square kilometer. So it is the total area of our country. It accounts for only 2.42% of the world's total area. So it accounts for only 2.42 of the world's total area. Think and answer, students. The total area of India is dash square kilometer. The total area of India is dash square kilometer. 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometer. The dash latitude passes through the middle of India. Answer is the Tropic of Cancer or 23.5 degree northern latitude passes through the middle of India. Give the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. So from 80 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude and from 68 degree 7 minutes to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. That is the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. So extent. The east to west extent of India is over 2,933 kilometers. So from here to here. So east to west extent is 2,933 kilometers. The north to south extent is 3,214 kilometers from north to south. India has both land and water frontiers. The land frontiers of the country is about 15,200 kilometers. So our country has both the land and water borders. So our land border, the total length of our land border is 15,200 kilometers. From here to here is land border. Except in some places, India has natural frontiers almost all sides. So see, our country is covered by Himalayas in north. Himalayas acts like a natural frontiers. The Himalayan ranges form a natural frontier in the north between India and China. The mainland of India has water frontier of about 6,100 kilometers from here to here. So our country has 6,100 kilometers of water frontiers, the mainland. The total length of India's coastline, including the Andaman and Nicobar Islands as well as Lakshadweep Islands, is 7,516.5 kilometers. So, including Andaman and Nicobar Islands and as well as the Lakshadweep Islands, our country has the coastline of 7,516.5 kilometers. Excluding Andaman and Nicobar Islands as well as Lakshadweep Islands, our country's water frontier's length is 6,100 kilometers. The Arabian Sea in the west, Indian Ocean in the south, Bay of Bengal in the east form the water frontiers. They are also natural frontiers. So, neighboring countries. Which are neighboring countries of our country? India has 7 neighboring countries. So, Pakistan and Afghanistan are the northwest. Pakistan and Afghanistan are in the northwest. Nepal, Bhutan and China are to the north. Nepal, Bhutan, China to the north. Bangladesh and Myanmar are to the east. Bangladesh and Myanmar to the east. The southeast is Sri Lanka. To the southeast is Sri Lanka. So our country has 7 neighboring countries. Sri Lanka is separated from the mainland of India by the Pak Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. So here Pak Strait is there. Pak Strait separate the Sri Lanka from our country. India is a democratic republic. Keeping in views of the primacy of regional languages and the administrative extension, India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories, which includes the National Capital Territory of Delhi. Now, students, listen here. Now, there are 30 states in our country, including Telangana. Sorry, a correction is there. 29 states and 7 union territories are there. 29 state is Telangana. So our country has 7 union territories, including National Capital Territory, that is Delhi. How many states in our country? There are 29 states. And how many union territories are there? 7 union territories are there in our country. Delhi is the National Capital Territory of our country. Telangana is the new state of our country. Among the states, Rajasthan is the largest state and the Goa is the smallest state. So which is the largest state by area? Rajasthan. Which is the smallest state by area? Goa. Rajasthan is there and Goa are located in the map. Think and answer. The country to the southeast of India is, guess students. So which is the country located to the southeast of our country? That is Sri Lanka. The newly formed state of India is, think and answer. That is Telangana. Name India's neighboring countries. So how many neighboring countries are there? There are 7 neighboring countries. They are Pakistan and Afghanistan are to the northwest, Nepal, Bhutan and China are to the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar are to the east, to the southeast is Sri Lanka. Thank you students.